Dear viewers, welcome to Hidden Treasure Educational Consultancy Services. Today we have a topic, formulas of linear motion. I hope you know that about 70% of physics is calculation, and so we are going to throw our weight towards those calculations a lot. Let us start. Do you remember that average speed or average velocity v is equal to displacement or distance over time? I hope you remember this. And so, if we are going to plus and multiply, we are going to have that S is equal to Vt. Alright. Where S is distance or displacement in meters, V is speed or velocity, and time is what T represents. Okay, but we have two velocities, initial velocity and final velocity. That means that this formula, which is, we call this one as 1, becomes S is equal to V plus U into 2 divided by 2 times T. That means we are taking the average velocity. Okay. Remember also that whenever we have V and U to be the same, it means that we can write the formula to become V plus V over 2. And V plus V over 2 is going to give us 2V over 2 times T. And this gives us S to be equal to Vt. So we can use this when both V and U are the same. Let us call this equation number 1 and call this equation number 2 and then call this equation number 3. Very good. Now, I believe you also remember that acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time, which means that acceleration A is equal to V minus U, final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Very good. And from what we have here, we can continue to change this formula and get more formulas apart from 1, 2, 3. Let us cross multiply. Actually, this is over 1. It means that we can bring this down here and have V minus U is equal to AT. Then V is equal to U plus AT. So another formula has been formed now, which we can call formula number 4. Alright. It's also possible that we have another formula that doesn't have some of these parameters here. For instance, let us consider a situation where we are going to use this in position of V, making use of the formula we have here, formula number 2. That means S is equal to V plus U over 2 into T. Now, anywhere we see V, we will put something as equivalent to V, and which is this. And so S is equal to U plus AT as V plus U brackets T all over 2. In this case now, we have to see that S is equal to U plus U here is 2U plus AT. Okay, inside the bracket, all multiplying by T over 2. And so S is equal to 2UT over 2 plus AT over 2. What can we say here? 2 can cancel 2, and we have S is equal to UT plus half AT squared. And so another formula of linear motion has been found, and we see it as equation number 5. indeed possible to find a formula that does not contain A. For instance, if we go back to this formula of acceleration, that A acceleration is equal to V minus U over T. Okay, then if we have this, we can decide to make something to the formula and have AT is equal to V minus U. That means that T is equal to V minus U over A. So we can decide that anywhere we see T, that we are going to write V minus U over A. Let us go back to this formula and have S is equal to V plus U over 2 bracket T, so that anywhere we see T, we put the value we have here and get S is equal to V plus U over 2 into, instead of T, we write V minus U over A in this bracket. Yes, this is something as S is equal to V plus U in bracket V minus U in bracket all over 2A. Yes, do you remember again that what we have as numerator here is like difference of two squares? V plus U, V minus U. And so we are going to say here A is equal to V squared minus U squared all over 2A. And so if we are going to cross multiply, here we have over 1 and get this as V squared minus U squared is equal to 2AS. So that V is equal to U squared plus 2AS. That is V squared. That will give us another formula that is already there. So we can see that another formula can be written as V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS. We can see that these are the formulas we use in this topic, linear motion. Dear viewer, in our next episode, we are going to talk about how we make use of this. I believe you have learned something from this. Do not just learn physics formulas by memorizing them. Try to know how to derive them, because most of the questions they are going to ask there will have to be done in algebra. Thank you very much. Follow, like, and share.